Hi everyone, thank you for clicking onto my video. My name is Mia. If you aren't already subscribed, then subscribe to my channel. But in today's video, I am going to be trying an Ayurvedic hair mask on my natural hair for the first time. If you want to see more, then keep watching. For the hair mask, it wasn't too hard for me to mix up and make. I used about 4 different powders, and the first one was hibiscus flower, jasmasi root, Baringraj powder, and amla. The smell wasn't too bad. It kind of reminded me of Jamaican black castor oil. I didn't have a problem with the smell. It smelled good to me. But I've been looking at a bunch of different DIYs for my natural hair for me to just try out, and I thought this would be the perfect time for me to give this a try since the low porosity by Shea Moisture line is being discontinued. I planned on making a separate video showing you guys how I made my hair mask. If you guys want to stay tuned for that. Right when I was almost finished with my hair, I ran out of my hair mask that I made, which I kind of figured that was going to happen because I didn't make that much, but I figured that I could make it work and last for my whole head. So I ended up using the leftover powders that I made from my hair oil. I finally finished my whole head, and this process was really messy for me. I had stuff everywhere, down my hands, just all over the place, but overall my hair was really moisturized, super soft, and my hair was defined by the end of this process. So I do intend on doing more of these hair masks, and it could be a long-term thing for me. Also, I made a hair oil, so I'm gonna see how that works out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, leave a comment, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.